beats. Matter of fact, I get them in the email every week. 1 time for the chow line, 2 time for some more grind, feeling like it's road time. Go time for CremRo. Itty bitty crack a white boy with 10 toes, a bunch of clean clothes, a gringo with clean flows, make a motherfucker hate on me. But you can bet the money in your hand, the land you stand on, the lake and in the bank on me already.
Okay, gringo.
So this record right here called Blessed to Be Breathing. Y'all make a little noise if you blessed to be fucking breathing in this bitch. No, come get this phone. Before we start and after we finish, we're gonna take a picture. The object is for y'all to be more crunk after we finish than before we start.
Alright.
So we're gonna take this pic first.
Alright.
Y'all put your hands up, your phones up, your sets up. Just don't put your money up, cause I'll pick it up, you heard me? Southbound Foundation, on the count of 3, y'all make some noise for yourself. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Alright, let's turn up. Yeah. Cheers to all you ugly motherfuckers. Fuck you! I appreciate the love and the hate. I finally made myself a